Michelle. Today on Cooking with Culture, we will be making some festive tacos. What you will need to make this sweet dish will be some cilantro, onion, tomato, green pepper, and lime, as well as taco seasoning, pepper, salt, Mexican cheese, and then some tortillas. Now, let's get cooking! To get started, we are going to chop up this nice looking heirloom tomato. That is why it has all the weird indents that it does all throughout. Slices out of the tomato, you can then go through and either de-seed them and or just slice them as they sit, and that's what I'm going to particularly do after I add some salt, because in my tacos I like everything. And salt makes everything better too. So now we can just dice them up just a little bit. I'm not going to go too thin. Now that we have finished dicing up the tomato, I think we did a pretty good job. We are going to make this go rapido, rapido, rapido through the cilantro. De-stemmed, I guess you would say, the cilantro, and just picked off some of the prime looking leaves. We are going to dice them up, or not dice, but finely chop them so that we can add them in with the tomato and the green pepper and onion and lime, and it'll make a very good taco mixture. All diced up and whittled away, we will work on the pimiento. Now that we have gone into it, we are able to pull the core out really easily, along with all of the seeds that line the inning of this, and we're going to cut it in half now. And just move away all the seeds, because you don't want to eat seeds. Now we have de-seeded the pimiento, and we will take off this sticker because you don't want to eat that. That'd be gross. So now we're just gonna, maybe I shouldn't have waved the knife like that, but we are going to slice and dice these and put them in a bowl.
Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata.
It is time to move on to the cebolla, and for that, I'll be right back. Hello, I'm back.
they're a no-go for me. Let's get into chopping these babies. Or baby. Okay, so now they say to get your onion so you don't cry, you're supposed to cut it along a certain line, but I never remember. So this should be fun. So I got the gas mask. There, 1/2 done. Now let's peel the skin. Takes the first layer off and you should be good. For me, only gonna chop 1/2. Let's put that there. Oh God. I already start to smell it. We are almost there. This is actually working. I am impressed. I am happy. Take off this gas mask and return back to reality.
So I may have forgotten to mention that you need ground meat for this. I mean, but it's kind of obvious if you're making tacos, so kind of need it. So now we are going to start all of that process by turning on the burner to about a medium heat of 5 or 6 and wait for that to warm up before we add the ground meat. Stay tuned. So the pan has now just fully warmed up and it is time to add the meat. Yes. That is the sound that you want to hear. So now that the meat has started to fully brown, we're going to add some of the taco seasoning. I have no idea what's in it actually. I've never read the ingredients and I'm going to open it right now to see what it smells like. But it says tacos and we make tacos. So I thought it should work. Now that actually has a good aroma to it. I'm very pleased. So now that we have everything done up, we have the meat all browned, we have the vegetables all chopped, and the limes, oh, love lime, and the cheese, and I added some extra sour cream because I like sour cream on my tacos, soft tacos. We are going to start and roll them up. We are going to roll it up. So now that we got these tacos all done up, it is time for the final taste test. I think they're pretty up to par. We did a very good job of chopping, dicing, slicing, and cooking everything here today.